Welcome everyone. In this series of episodes on biology, we'll be covering the textbook of FBISE. In this very first video, we'll know what is biology and what are the branches of biology. The word biology comes from two Greek words, bios meaning life and logos meaning to study. So biology means to study life. In biology, every living thing is made up of cells, also known as the basic unit of life. These cells then team up and perform complex functions. Life itself is very complex, and there are about 3 million species discovered up till now. To study and explain each of these species is a huge task. So to make it easy for us, biology is being divided into three main divisions: zoology, botany, and microbiology. But it doesn't stop here. We have many other branches as well. Let us study and try to understand each of these branches separately. Morphology is the study of external structure of organisms. So we humans differ in how we look, and studying these differences would be morphology. Whereas anatomy is the study of internal structure of organisms. It is also known as internal morphology. In physiology, we study the functions of various organs, such as the human heart. Now, if we want to know how the cells look like in the heart, we can do that with the help of a microscope. So studying the tissues with the help of a microscope is known as histology. Cell biology is the study of structure and function of the cells, whereas genetics is the study of genes. So this is a cell. It has a nucleus and cytoplasm. The nucleus contains chromosomes, and the genes are present on chromosomes in the form of a DNA. Embryology is the study of how living organisms develop from a single cell into a complex being. Taxonomy is the classification and naming of living organisms. Taxonomy is like creating a family tree for all living things on Earth. It helps us stay organized and classify them based on their similarities and differences. Immunology is the study of our body's incredible defense system, the immune system. These cells work tirelessly to keep us healthy, fighting off harmful invaders like bacteria and viruses. Entomology is all about insects, such as ants and bees. So the study of these insects is known as entomology. In pharmacology, we study drugs. And in parasitology, we study about parasites. These parasites either live on or inside other organisms for nutrition. Environmental biology is the study of relations between organisms and their environment, whereas biotechnology is the study to develop new products, methods, and organisms intended to improve human health and society. Paleontology is the study of fossils. It is the study of ancient creatures like dinosaurs that once lived on our planet. Sociobiology, on the other hand, explores the social behaviors and interactions of living organisms, such as ants working together.